Welcome to the channel. May you be happy, peaceful, and filled with wisdom. Today, let's listen to an inspiring story called The Old Man and the Horse. Don't judge too soon. In a quiet village lived an old man with a beautiful white horse. One day, the horse ran away. The neighbors gathered and said, "What terrible luck." The old man calmly replied, "Maybe. Maybe not. We'll see." A few days later, the horse returned, bringing with it 3 wild horses. The neighbors exclaimed, "What wonderful fortune!" The old man smiled and said, "Maybe. Maybe not. We'll see." Soon after, the old man's son tried to tame one of the wild horses. He was thrown off and broke his leg. Again, the neighbors said, "How unfortunate." The old man answered, "Maybe. Maybe not. We'll see." A week later, soldiers came to the village to recruit every young man for war. Seeing the son's broken leg, they left him behind. The neighbors returned and said, "How lucky you are." The old man simply replied, "Maybe. Maybe not. We'll see." The villagers finally understood that today's misfortune may become tomorrow's blessing, and today's good fortune may bring unexpected challenges. Life is always changing. We rarely see the whole picture in a single moment. Moral: don't judge events too quickly. What seems like bad luck today may become a blessing tomorrow, and what appears to be good luck may not remain so. Patience and wisdom come from accepting life's uncertainty. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this story, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends and family. Your support helps us bring more inspiring stories. May you be happy and at peace.